This is your sign to get your camera and start your YouTube channel, okay? What's up, you guys? Welcome back to All Things Ange. I'm here with another video for you guys today, and as you can see by that title and that thumbnail, I finally got my first camera. I'm so freaking excited. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the camera and all the accessories I got to go with it. We're going to be doing a quality test to see if this camera is really as good as they say it is. I'm going to be practicing vlogging for the first time, and we're going to be doing a comparison test between the camera and my iPhone camera, which is what I've been using to record this whole time. So we're gonna get into some things today, okay? But before we get started, I just want to say that you do not need a professional camera to do YouTube. If you're waiting to start your YouTube channel until you get a camera, you're just wasting time. Literally, every video I filmed up until this one was just on a ring light, an iPhone camera, and I feel like they were of quality. I'm just at a point in my YouTube journey now where not having a camera is holding me back. Like, it's time, y'all. Literally, I will be on YouTube a whole year next month, which is crazy. Time flies so fast. In this past year, I think I put out maybe about a good 25 videos, not including shorts, so 25 long form videos. And I think that's amazing because that means I was probably posting like every other week, which is way more than I thought I would be. So shout out to myself for just being like super consistent and sticking with it. I feel like I had to prove to myself that I could do this consistently long term before I made this huge investment, because that's what it is. It is an investment. So that being said, I did decide to go ahead and get the Sony ZV1. This was pretty much always my first choice when it came to getting a camera. I came this close to getting the Canon G7X only because I think that camera is so freaking sexy. It's the sleekest camera I've ever seen. I love the way the screen flips up, or rather, as you can see, this one, it flips outward. I really don't like this. I feel like this gives like camcorder vibes, but I did a lot of research, and I do recommend that everyone do their research and just get the camera that you feel is going to work best for you. But for me, it was the Sony ZV1, honey, okay? I mean, this camera was literally made for content creators. It was made for vloggers, so it was just a no-brainer for me. And now we are going to unbox her. So I did order this off of Amazon. So open up the box, and I knew this camera was small, but looking at the size of the box, I could already see this camera is super small. So it's another piece of cardboard that comes out. We have a bunch of instructions. We got a charger cable with no wall plug, which is kind of crazy, but whatever. We got the mic cover. I'm not really sure what the official name for it is, but it's just to stop the wind from making so much noise in your video. We got the battery. I'm definitely gonna have to order more of these. And then, oh my goodness, it's so like, we got the camera. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's so small. Literally, this is the cutest thing I have ever seen. Let me give you guys a good close-up of what it looks like. So let me see here. So I guess this is where the battery and SD card is supposed to go. Okay, just pops open. All right, let me put the battery in. Oh, So I did get the vlogger kit. I got the tripod that comes with it, and then I did also get some SD cards. I got a couple other accessories that I'm going to show you guys later, but just so y'all know, the camera does not come with an SD card, which I think is kind of crazy. The vlogger kit, the tripod, comes with an SD card, which I later figured out. But what if you just get the camera and you get a different tripod? You won't have no SD card. And every video I watched, nobody said that, and I feel like that's valuable information. Like, the camera does not come with an SD card. Okay, SD card and battery are in. I'm going to turn her on. Okay, it is not touchscreen. It looks like it would be touchscreen. I feel like it should be, like it's 2023, but it's not touchscreen. So I'm just gonna hit English, and then I'm gonna set the date and the time. All right, and now we have this screen, which is basically telling me to download this app if I want to get my footage directly onto my phone, but I kind of have something else for that, so I'm gonna do that later. Ooh. Oh my gosh, so the lens just popped out. All right. Ooh, okay. So once you put the settings in, it's ready to go. So it just like pops out. Let's see. Ooh. OMG, this looks so good. I cannot believe. Okay, hold on, because I look good. So I'm definitely gonna have to get used to looking at the camera and not looking at myself in the screen. I love that it has this little, like this little grip thing right here, so that way it's easy for me to hold it. And it's giving, like, oh my gosh, it looks so good. And this is, I did not do anything to the settings, you guys. I pressed English. I struggled to put in the date and the time, and this is it, and it looks really good. I still have my ring light on, but I think it looks so freaking good. Okay, that's better. Hey y'all, oh my gosh, it looks so good. Or is it just me? Do I just look so good? I think it's both of us. I think we just look good together. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is a focus test, because one of this camera's best features is supposed to be its autofocus. Like I said, this camera was created for content creators and vloggers, so no more like holding up your hand and showing the products to try to get it to focus. This is supposed to take care of all of that. If you're a person who shows the camera a lot of products like myself, this is just supposed to take care of that. So let's see. Me. Okay. Oh, I have to, I'm holding it in front of the screen. I have to hold it in front of the camera. Okay, so me. Okay. I feel like because it's used to my face, it finds my face super quickly as soon as I take the lip gloss away, but it's not bad. Okay. Okay, that one was super good. That one was good. That's really good. Oh, make sure y'all getting y'all Ange Glam, by the way. Make sure y'all following Ange Glam on Instagram. And make sure y'all getting y'all hydrating organic lip gloss, okay? One last time. Lip gloss. Lip gloss. Me. It's not bad. It's not bad. I thought it would be a little quicker. It's definitely quick focusing back on me, but focusing on the product itself, I thought it would be a little bit quicker, but it's not bad. I also probably don't have it on the right settings right now, so like I said, these are just the regular settings, but that wasn't bad. I'll give it like I give it an 8 out of 10 for the focus test. So I guess it passed. So and now I'm going to unbox the vlogger kit. All right, so this is what it looks like. Okay, that focused right away, of course, because it's Sony and know how to focus on its own stuff. I think the focus is based on like recognition, like what it recognizes. I also still don't have it, probably have it on the right settings, but that was good. That one right there was good. Okay, so yeah, comes out like this, so you can stand it up or you can grip it. This was $150. So yeah, it has, you can record from here. I feel like you can change the, oh, it says photo. Oh, if you want to take pictures, that's cool. You can zoom in and out. So I really wanted this because it connects to the camera like a Bluetooth type thing. So if I wanted to zoom in or if I wanted to change the settings or something like that, I don't have to reach up onto the camera. I could just do it right here, nice and easy, and I really like that. All right, so I'm about to put the tripod on the camera. It keeps dying, which sucks. OMG, I can't even vlog for you guys because the battery keeps dying. But doesn't this look so cute though? Look at me. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. I'm about to figure this out because there's no way. So while we are waiting for the battery to finish charging so I could practice vlogging, we are going to be doing a comparison test. All right, so I got the Sony ZV1 on one side, and then I got, damn, I don't even know what iPhone this is. I have, what iPhone is this? What iPhone are we on right now? What are we on, like 14? They drop a new iPhone every year. It's got to be the 12 Pro Max because I haven't gotten an iPhone in a couple years, and it's almost paid off too. So it's got to be the 12 Pro Max. So Sony ZV1 and iPhone 12 Pro Max rear camera, and I do have my ring light in front of me. So what's it giving, guys? Is this camera really worth it, or like, can you just use your camera? I feel like using your camera is fine, but I need to see myself when I record. Like, the fact that I went this long without being able to see myself when I record is kind of crazy now that I'm thinking about it. But yeah, let me know. Is it better or what? Is it better or what? Obviously I can't tell because I'm gonna see like once I start editing, but it looks like on the Sony, it looks like I have that skin filter, because it's supposed to have like a skin filter to make, you know, your skin look seamless. I mean, I already have flawless skin. Like, do I really look this good, or is it the camera? I think it's both of us, because, oh girl, wait for the pictures. Nah, I'm definitely gonna take some pictures with this camera today. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what else I got. Oh, it came with this cute little battery. The battery died again and I have the charger in it. That's crazy. But the tripod came with this cute little pouch. Okay, so yeah, she got a little bit of juice in her. We're gonna make do with that. I'm just gonna, ooh, look at my graduation picture. I'm just gonna walk around the house a little bit. Ooh, it looks so good. There are my stairs, TV. Oh my goodness, I have to bother my baby. Look at mommy's new camera, Bells. She said, girl, get that shit off. Bella, look at mama camera. It's so cute. It's so cute. Not as cute as you. So yeah, I'm in front of the window. That's why the lighting is so good. I really want to go outside, y'all. Let me take y'all outside real quick before the camera dies. Well, let me go in the bathroom like that. Oh, I don't freaking need this. Wait. Oops. Okay. Yeah. See, that's why we gotta practice vlogging, okay? But period. OMG. So freaking excited for this. Oh my gosh. Okay, take that outside. The sun is out. This is my backyard. The lighting looks super good. I already got the screen so dirty. Let me show y'all. This is my backyard. Oh, that was a good transition. The battery's about to die. The battery is about to die. Yeah. Super cute. Oh my god. Super cute. So does this come off? Okay, yeah, it does. And then I could put this on to protect the lens, but I think I'm gonna keep this. Is fucking cute. Okay, now she's giving. Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys. Nah, the case just took it to a whole nother level. All right, you guys. So I'm back on the camera. That pretty much wraps it up. I'm kind of over it at this point. This was a lot more than I expected it to be. Stay tuned for all the content that I have coming up. I am going on a trip soon, so I will be vlogging. I'm super excited for that. And then just stay tuned for all the content that I had, like, that I was holding back on because I didn't have my camera. I couldn't record the way I wanted to. So I'm super happy for this. Now, this is your sign to get your camera and start your YouTube channel, okay? I don't know who needs to hear this, but you don't even need the camera. You don't even need the camera. This is your sign to start your YouTube channel. And if you have your YouTube channel and you've been waiting to get your camera, this is your sign to get your camera. Okay? Yeah, you're welcome. So I'm going to end this video now before the camera dies. Of course, I'm going to end it on the Sony because why not? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that post notification bell so you get notified every time I post, and I will see you guys in my next video.